Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. This is Capital FX. Today I want to show you guys how you can install any MetaTrader 5 indicator in your MetaTrader 5 platform guys. So if today is your first time of watching my YouTube video, please kindly do me a favor by liking and subscribing to this channel so that anytime I post an important content, you will be easily notified to make use of any content I post in this channel guys. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end to understand how you can install any MetaTrader 5 indicator in your platform guys. So the first thing you need to do is to go out of your platform and go to wherever your software is saved. For me, mine is saved in my PC. Open your PC. Mine is saved in my document here. So open wherever your software is saved guys. So I want to install this Fibo tool in my MT5 guys. So I have opened it and click the extension file guys. This is the extension file. This is the indicator file guys. So I will right click now and copy it. Then I will go out of here and come back to my MT5. So what you have to do now is to click the file here, click on files, click on open data folder guys. So once it opens, so you need to go into this file MQL5. so this is the same way if you want to install in MT4. So here it will be written MQL4, but this is MT5, so that's why it is written as MQL5 guys. I hope you understand. So click on it and you want to install your indicator, so you must put the file inside the indicators file. So open the indicators file, then right click now and paste the software here. You can see it's now pasted here. So you need to go out of this folder or you minimize it anywhere you like. So now what you have to do now is click on view, come to navigator, then stay on these indicators and right click. So once you right click, you refresh so that you can get the indicator right inside the folder. You can see we just got our indicator here. So to attach it in the file, what you have to do is to just click and hold it, then drag it into the chart. You can see. So if you want to put any inputs or colors or whatever, you click on input and put any input you like. And for me, I don't want to make any change to this. So what you have to do is to click OK. You can see guys, our software is automatically attached in our file guys. So this is how it works. You can see, and the very good thing about this indicator is that it is already attached in the whole time frame guys. You don't need to, this one is automatic guys, it's automated in the whole time frame, so you don't need to start drawing another line in another time frame. So once this is going, once the market is moving, it will be moving with the market guys. It doesn't change. Whatever the direction the market is giving, it will be giving the same direction and it will be going with the market. It flows, it goes with the market. So let me change my time frame so that you can understand what I'm talking about. You can see 30 minutes is already here, 15 minutes is already here, and 5 minutes is already here guys. So this is how it works guys. This is automated Fibonacci tool guys. So let me just do a giveaway to you because I want you to win. So if you like this Fibonacci indicator, just kindly like and subscribe to this channel and go to the comment section and write me a DM, or go to the description of this YouTube channel and you see my Telegram link there. Send me a DM in Telegram or send me a DM in Instagram or whatever, so that I can send this powerful indicator to you guys, because I want you to win. So that's why I'm giving this away. It's free guys. I'm not gonna charge you any money. So kindly like and subscribe to this channel. If you find this video very interesting, kindly like and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that whenever I post a content, you will be notified as soon as possible to make use of any content we post in this channel. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. I wish you good luck in your trading. Bye.